Well, checking in on the crypto market, we're seeing Bitcoin back above 20,000, while Ether is back above the $1,500 level. The rally fueled in part by investor optimism after UK lawmakers voted to recognize crypto as a regulated financial instrument, although the bill still has a ways to go before it is passed into law. The crypto market, by the way, topping $1 trillion after 3 weeks under that level. So what is a crypto hodler to do with these gains? Our next guest may have an option. Joining us now, we've got Yahoo Finance exclusive Peter Smith, CEO of blockchain.com, joining us, as well as Yahoo Finance crypto reporter David Hollerith. And Peter, you're of course here to announce or debut this new debit card that you're launching in partnership with Visa, also powered by Marqeta. Walk us through how this all works.
Yeah, sure. So the idea is that you can take your card, which looks like this. It's a fun little design. And you can easily spend from any balance inside your blockchain wallet. So you can spend from your dollar balance, your euro balance, your Bitcoin balance, your Ethereum balance, any of the sort of 30 plus assets inside of your blockchain wallet. And you can toggle between which asset you spend from sort of at any time. We're launching that in the US now, and then we'll expand out to the EU early next year.
Peter, we chatted yesterday about why blockchain.com was issuing this debit card now, and you said that it came down to a lot of customer demand. But I was curious if you would just talk more about that and explain exactly how you see customers using crypto to spend on real world goods and services, because I think there's obviously a lot of questioning about where spending is for crypto.
Yeah, so I think, as customers become more and more crypto centric, so they're starting to think about their spending patterns and their financial health from a crypto first angle, they want to be able to spend their, assets, their net worth, in daily life. And right now, one of the most challenging parts about being a crypto user is the fact that it's really hard to spend your money, to spend your wealth in daily life, because the links between the crypto system and the traditional banking system are quite tough and frankly slow. And so the reason that we're excited about the card is because it allows people to keep their assets and to keep their funds inside of the crypto ecosystem, but to be able to spend them in everyday life.
Peter, this comes at a time when we're sort of seeing the shakedown in the space, trying to figure out who's getting in, who's getting out. From a demand perspective, what does that look like for your card right now? And what does that tell you about where the interest is in the space?
Yeah, so we had the waitlist open for a really short period of time, and we had about 50,000 people sign up for it. And so I think, there's still a lot of demand for crypto products, but you're seeing that demand shift away from sort of trading and more towards folks that are interested in using DeFi, using their balances. Right now, stablecoin use is growing really quickly on our platform. And so when you look at the assets that people are holding inside of their accounts, you're seeing people hold a lot of stablecoin and Bitcoin, frankly. So you're really seeing like a pullback towards quality of crypto assets.
Blockchain.com CEO Peter Smith, and thank you so much for joining us today. And our thanks to David Hollerith as well for joining in on the conversation.